Most people get this wrong. They think Shopify and Etsy are interchangeable for dropshipping. But the surprising truth is each platform works best in very different scenarios. Today, I'm breaking down the differences so you can pick the right one. Shopify is a fully customizable e-commerce platform. It allows you to build a standalone online store, connect with multiple dropshipping suppliers, and use apps for inventory management, email marketing, and analytics. This flexibility is ideal if you want full control over branding, pricing, and customer experience. You can also scale easily because Shopify supports unlimited products and integrations. Etsy, on the other hand, is a marketplace primarily focused on handmade, vintage, and niche products. Dropshipping on Etsy is possible, but more restricted. You need to ensure your products fit Etsy's rules and are high quality, unique, or customizable. The upside is Etsy already has a massive audience looking for creative items, so marketing can be easier, especially for beginners. However, competition can be fierce, and fees apply per listing and per sale. In terms of pricing, Shopify requires a monthly subscription and additional fees for apps and payment processing. Etsy has lower upfront costs, but charges listing and transaction fees. Shopify gives you more control over long-term growth, while Etsy is more plug-and-play for niche products. In conclusion, if your goal is full control and scalability in dropshipping, Shopify is likely the better choice. If you're testing unique products or want access to an existing marketplace audience, Etsy may be easier to start with. Many successful dropshippers even combine both platforms for different strategies. Subscribe for more honest comparisons to help you pick the right e-commerce platform for your business.